Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will start a new topic and it is related about the circle. Okay, we will learn about area of a circle and circumference of a circle. Children, the boundary, the boundary of a circle is not called as perimeter. It is called as circumference. So first of all, let's see what is the area of a circle. If you will see the slide, you can see a circle, okay, and the radius, okay, from the center to the arc. This length is called as radius. If you will make it double, means if a line, the longest chord you can say, which is passing through the line segment which passes through the center of a circle is called as diameter. So the diameter is just double of radius, and area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, and if you will see the circumference, perimeter we will not say, if we will say the circumference. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So let's start with the formula. Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square, where the value of pi is either you take it as 3.14 and or you take it as 22 by 7. Actually it's not a rational number, but we used to take it in the form so that we can do the calculation. Pi value, okay, and this one 3.14. According to question we will use it. So area of circle is pi, the value you can put as 3.14 or 22 by 7. After that r square. What is r, children? R is the radius of a circle. So in this way we can find the area of circle. And if you will talk about circumference, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. What is the circumference? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Or if you will take twice of r, children, just take twice of r. Twice of r is what? Twice of r is diameter. Okay, so you can call it, you can write it as pi into d also. Either you use twice 2 pi r circumference of a circle, either you use 2 pi r or you can use pi d, or you can use pi d. Okay, so I should write or you can write it as pi into d. D is what? D is the diameter. This one is diameter. Longest chord. Okay, it will pass through the center of the circle. It will pass through the center of the circle. This is called as diameter. From here to this point, the total distance is diameter. It is just double of radius. Just double of radius. Now let's see the slide. Let's see the slide, children. This we have done. Okay, this is area of a circle. This is pi r square. Now the next one is pi value, children. This is very important. If you divide the circumference by its diameter, any circle, just take any circle, whether it is a small, let me erase this board. Meanwhile you just see this. If you will draw any circle, either its radius is less or bigger, the value which you will get ultimately after dividing the circumference with its diameter, it will always be constant, children. It will always be constant. Okay, and what is it? It is the pi. What is it, children? It is the pi. It will always remains constant. Let's see here. If you will draw a smaller circle and just measure its diameter and find out its circumference, whatever the circumference and divided it by its diameter, the value will always be constant. This will be 3.14. This will be 3.14. In the same way, just take another circle. Just you can measure it also. It is given in your book that draw a circle, find its diameter and circumference, and then divide the circumference by its diameter. You will get always 3.14. Always it will be constant, whether it is bigger circle or it is a smaller circle. So it is what, children? It is the value of pi. I hope this concept is clear to you, that if you will divide the circumference of a circle by its diameter, you will get always a constant value. This is 3.14. Okay, now what is our next task? Our next task is to start the exercise, because we have done both the formulas. Okay, let's see the exercise. If you will see your book, a chart is also given in that, page number 244, and then you can complete it to find whether it's correct or not. Always it will come as 3.14. In this way, the pi has derived. Now, let's start with question number 1. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is given, children. Whose radius is given. Can we find it? Yes, of course we can find it. The radius of that circle is given to us. And it is what? You can see from the question that the radius of circle is 28 centimeter. So let's quickly start. Question number 1, first part. Question number 1, first part. What is given, children? Given the radius of circle is 28 centimeter. And what we have to find? Area. Area of circle. This we have to, no, not area. It's circumference. Wait, it's circumference. In first question, we have to find the circumference. Yes, circumference. Circumference. F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Circumference of a circle is what? Circumference of circle is, see children, it's not writing. Right now it's width because of the friction. Okay, these things you will learn in class 8. Okay, let it dry. Circle. Area of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. What is it? It is 2 pi r. And we will take the pi value they have given. Take pi as 22 by 7. So let's take 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. You will learn in higher classes that it is not a rational number, but then also we used to find the we want to find the solution. That's why we use it. We just take pi value as 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 28 centimeter. Radius is 28 centimeter. 7 4s are 28. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 2 into 88. It will become what? 8 2 just 16. 8 2 just 16. 117. 176 centimeter. 176 centimeter. This is first question. First question, first part. Let's move to the next question. It is find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is given to us. Children, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is given. So I am just erasing my board wherever it is required because it will kill my time to write it. Now let's see. We are having a question number 2, and we are solving first part. In this case, diameter is given to us. Diameter is 35 centimeter. First part, diameter. Diameter is 35 centimeter. Now circumference of circle we have to find. Okay, circumference of circle is what, children? Circumference of circle. See, now it's dried up now. That's why I am able to write it. Okay, now circumference of circle is 2 pi r if radius is given, and if diameter is given, we can apply the another formula that will be easier for us, that is pi into d. Pi into d. If you will use 2 pi r, that is also correct, but in that case diameter is given na, so you have to make the radius. You have to find the radius. Radius is what? Radius is half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So you have to write diameter 35 centimeter by 2. This will be the radius. If you are using 2 pi r, then you have to first find the radius. Radius is what? Just half of diameter. Diameter by 2. That is 35 centimeter is diameter, so 35 by 2. But I am not using that formula, so I will not calculate it. I am using pi into d. Pi into d. That is 22 by 7. And what is my diameter? 35 centimeter. So find out 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 110 centimeter. 110 centimeter. This is the formula of finding the circumference if diameter is known to us. One more thing is that you can use 2 pi r also, children. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. Why? Radius. Radius is just half of the diameter. So you can calculate. Then in this case 7 5 is 35, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. This is also same. This is also same. Use any of the formula. In this case you have to put the direct value of diameter. In this case you have to find the radius first and then put the value. Okay. Now let's see the next question. It is question number 3. Now children, if you will see question number 3, it is same as first and second. So let's solve question number 4. Let's solve question number 4. We are solving question number 4. It says that find the radius of a circle whose circumference is given to us. So question number 4 is first of all given. What is given to us? Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is how much, children? It is 57.2 centimeter. 57.2 centimeter. They said find the radius. Find the radius of circle. Okay. We have to find the radius. Radius कितना है? So what is given? हमें दिया क्या क्या है? What is given to us? Circumference. Then whatever is given to us, we will use that to find the unknown. We will start it from known value which is given to us, and then we will go for unknown value which we have to find. So we know what we know. लिखेंगे. We know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Children, in this case I am not going to use pi into d because I have to find radius, so I need radius in my formula. I have to find radius, so I need radius in my formula. So I am using this 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is already given to us. It's known to us. So I will write in place of circumference of circle, I will put its value 57.2. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. In question number 4, we can use any value of pi. Now, simply transpose these constant values to this side. Okay. So 57.2 will be multiplied with the denominator, that is 7, divided by the numerator value will come down 2 into 22. No need to make it complex and then simplify. Write down as it is 2 into 22. That is equal to radius. Now simply we will solve. This is 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. This is 11 5s are 55. How much is left? 2. Okay, and then dot 11 2s are 22. Okay, 5.2. 11 5s are 55 हो गया बेटा. 2 is left, so 22 is left, but decimal is there, so 11 2s are 22. Then again with 2 we can simplify, or it can be simplified by 4 also, but 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 is there, so 2 6 are 12, it will be 2.6. Then again 2 will be simplified. 2 ones are 2 and 2 3 are 6. This is 1.3 and in numerator 7 is left. 13.7 is left in numerator. That is equal to R. That is equal to R. So I am writing on this side. I am writing on this side, children. 13.7 is 1.3 is left. 1.3 into 7. This is the radius. So 7 3s are 21. 2 is left. 7 1 is 7. 8 9. 9.1. So hence radius is equal to 9.1 centimeter. Hence radius is equal to 9.1 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Now if you will see question number 5, find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is this. Children, you can do it. Find out the radius first, or use pi into d formula. Circumference is given to you. You have to find diameter. So circumference of circle in 5th question, circumference of circle will be equal to pi into d. And then find out, keep d on one side and transpose pi value on this side. So in that way you can find the value of diameter, or you can use this process also. So till here, when you will find the radius, after that you have to make it double. When you will find the radius in question number 5 by using the same process of circumference of circle is 2 pi r, find out radius and then make it double. Okay, twice of radius is equal to the diameter, which the question is asking from us. What is the diameter if circumference is given to us? Now let's solve question number 6. So let's solve question number 6. I am erasing the board one and you write down it. Question number 6, children, we have to write first. We have to write the given parts. What are the given parts? Okay. So quickly write down the question, or you can read the question also, that what we have to do, so that when I will start it, then you will be able to relate it. Okay. In question number 6, the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. Circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. Children, जो भी circumference आया है वो क्या हुआ है, 30 centimeter exceed किया है. Find the radius of a circle. Okay. So let's see the question. Question number 6. Given, what is given? Circumference is exceeding. It is exceeding by 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. So it's exceeding its diameter by how much? Already it is exceeding 30 centimeter. Okay, it is exceeding, मतलब circumference जो भी आएगा, that is more than 30 centimeter. What is circumference, children? And find the radius. उन्होंने बोला कि radius find करो. So what is circumference? What is circumference? Circumference is pi into d. If we will talk about the क्या? In terms of diameter, then it will be pi into d, and it is already exceeding the diameter by 30 centimeter. Diameter से ये 30 centimeter already ज़्यादा है. Exceed मतलब ज़्यादा होना. It is exceeding, बड़ा है. So and here it is diameter. So it is already greater. That's why this sign has I have put here. So now how I will make it equal? Because if we will make it equal, then only we can find the value of diameter and then ultimately the value of radius. Radius की value हमको find out करनी है. So how I will make it equal? This is already greater now. This is circumference pi into d, and it is already greater than diameter by 30 centimeter. It's exceeding. So equal to मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? How I can write? I can't write. It is greater. It is smaller. So how can I write? Children, if I will put 30 centimeter here, so can it will be equal now? अगर मैं यहाँ 30 सेंटीमीटर ऐड कर देती हूँ तो नाउ कैन इट बी इक्वल? Yes, it can be. But ma'am, how you can write 30 centimeter here? How can you add? To make it equal. आपको क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करना है. You have to find out the value of radius or the diameter. ठीक है? So you have to find out. By using this sign, I cannot find out the value. By using equality sign, yes, I can find the unknown value. अगर मेरा LHS और RHS बराबर हो जाए, equality sign है तो yes, I can find the unknown value, that is variable value. ठीक है, इसमें वेरिएबल क्या है? व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? डी, डायमीटर, उसकी वैल्यू हमको नहीं पता. पाई वैल्यू आई नो, दैट इज इट इज 22/7. डायमीटर आई डोंट नो. सो यस, आई कैन फाइंड द डायमीटर बाय मेकिंग इट इक्वल. इक्वल बना सकते हैं. तो इक्वल हम बना ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज इट इज मोर, ये ज्यादा बड़ा है. तो इक्वल बनाने के लिए हमको यहाँ पे 30 सेंटीमीटर को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. देन ओनली दीज टू विल बी इक्वल. ठीक है, टू कंप्लीट आवर क्वेश्चन वी यूज टू डू सच टाइप ऑफ things in mathematics. So हमको यहाँ पे 30 ऐड करना पड़ेगा so that it will become equal. Now let's see how to solve. So it is 22/7 D and now this diameter will come to this side. This is equal to 30. Now you know how to solve. I have transposed D to this side because diameter is already here. So diameter, the variable value will be on one side and constant value will be on other side. Diameter यहाँ positive में है, when it will cross this equal to sign, it will become negative. So how can we find? Let's see. By putting 1. Now cross multiply or you can do the LCM method. यहाँ पे 7 है तो यहाँ पे 7 लाना होगा. Here it is in 7, so I cannot subtract unless and until the diameter is same. Like, okay. So 7, तो यहाँ पे भी 7. So what I will do? I will multiply 7 here. So same number I will multiply in numerator also. ठीक है, ये स्टेप भी हमारा क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए है. अगर मुझे सबट्रैक्ट करना है तो आई नीड 7 हियर. हाउ आई विल गेट 7 हियर? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद 7. सो सेम नंबर आई विल मल्टीप्लाई इन न्यूमरेटर. ठीक है, अल्टीमेटली ये d ही है बेटा. दिस इज d/1 बिकॉज 7 and 7 इज कैंसल आउट. बट टू कंप्लीट आवर क्वेश्चन, टू फुलफिल आवर क्वेश्चन, वी यूज टू balance it in such a way that we can find it. Now it is 22D/7. This is 7D. D into 7, 7D divided by 7. That is equal to 30. Now as you can see, this is 7, 7. Now both are equal. Now I can subtract. कैसे subtract करेंगे? 7 will be in denominator and 22D minus 7D. That is equal to 30. That is equal to 30. ठीक है? Now subtract it. 7, 7, 22 minus 7. Now subtract it, children. So 22 minus 7 is what? 15. 22 minus 7 is what? 15. So this is 15D upon 7 is equal to 30. ठीक है? Now keep D on this side. 30 is already on this side. D को यही रहने दीजिए. 30 is already on this side. This 15 is in multiplication with D. So it will go for division. It will go for division. कौन जाएगा division में? 15. Because I am transposing these values to other side so that I can find D. D को हमको अकेला रखना होगा. I have to find the value of D. So I am keeping this D on this side and the numbers on other side. 15 is in multiplication, it will go for division. And 7 is in denominator, it is in division, so it will go for multiplication. Now solve it. 15 2 ja 30. So D is equal to how much? 7 2 जा 14. 7 2 जा 14 what? सेंटीमीटर. हम सेंटीमीटर ऐड कर रहे हैं ना, तो वैल्यू विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर. नाउ हेंस आपको रेडियस फाइंड करना है. हेंस रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर का हाफ. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर हाफ. So this is 14/2 and ultimately it will be 7. Ultimately it will be 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay, see this. First of all, related circumference is more than diameter by 30 centimeter. So to make it equal, because we have to find the value, so I have to make it equal. तो equal बनाने के लिए जो कम है, कौन कम है बेटा? Diameter is less. ये तो ऑलरेडी 30 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा है, ऑलरेडी इसको लिखना नहीं है, ऑलरेडी है ज्यादा, तो इसमें अगर 30 सेंटीमीटर मिला देंगे तो ये बराबर हो गया इसके, ठीक है। नाउ बोथ आर इक्वल, सो डायमीटर कीप इट ऑन वन साइड, 30 will be there. Now solve for the diameter. After finding the diameter, make it half, उसको half कर दीजिए, so you will get the radius. Clear? Now let's see the next question. Next question is question number 7. See, children, I am going to pick all those questions which are different. So I am going to solve question number 7 also. The ratio of the radii is the plural form of radius. Radius means एक radius है, ठीक है, और उसका plural क्या होगा बेटा, radii दे दिया है, it means there will be 2 circles. Okay, it is given in the question that it is radii, it means it is plural of radius. Okay, now the ratio of radii of 2 circles is 5:3. 2 सर्कल है और उसका रेशियो दिया है बेटा, उनके रेडियस का रेशियो दिया है 5:3. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ देयर सर्कमफ्रेंस. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ देयर सर्कमफ्रेंस. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट यू विल डू? इट्स अ रेशियो क्वेश्चन. आई एम इरेजिंग द बोर्ड वर्क मीनवाइल. कम ऑन, थिंक इट. ओके, आई नो यू ऑल आर नोइंग इट. If it is ratio based question, then you will solve it by using x. See, ratio of radii is 5:3. Ratio of radii is 5:3. Yes, 5:3. Ratio of radii of 2 circle is 5:3. This is given. This is given. Now let the radius of one circle be 5x and radius of another circle be 3x. Let, आप लिखेंगे let radius of one circle is 5x and radius of another circle be, या इक्वल टू ले लीजिए, इज इक्वल टू 3x. रेडियस ऑफ वन सर्कल इज 5x and radius of another circle is 3x. Now we have to find the circumference ratios. So therefore ratio of circumference is equal to 2 pi r1. ठीक है, एक रेडियस ये हो गया. लेट द रेडियस ऑफ वन सर्कल r1 बी दिस एंड द रेडियस ऑफ अनदर सर्कल r2 ले लेते हैं बेटा, दोनों का रेडियस अलग है. r2 इसको मेंशन कर लीजिए. ये r1 r2 क्या है? r1 इज द रेडियस ऑफ वन सर्कल एंड r2 इज द रेडियस ऑफ अनदर सर्कल. अगर आप नहीं लेंगे तो r एंड r विल गेट कैंसिल ना. सो रेशियो ऑफ द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई r1 और दूसरे का क्या होगा 2 पाई r2. ठीक है, 2 विल बी सेम, पाई विल बी सेम, बोथ विल गेट कैंसिल. 2 भी सेम है और पाई भी सेम है, इट विल गेट कैंसिल. सेम नंबर इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल गेट कैंसिल आउट, यू नो इट. सो r1 एंड r2 विल बी लेफ्ट r1 बाय r2. सो r1 क्या है बेटा हमारा 5x एंड r2 क्या है हमारा 3x. Here also again the variable is same, x and x. So again it will be cancel out, x और x cancel out हो जाएंगे और it will be equal to 5/3, that is equal to 5:3. 5:3. See, it's visible. Yes. 5/3 बचा, x और x भी cancel हो गए, same है. In numerator and denominator values are same. So their circumference will also be same. Okay, in this way we can solve question number 7. Now let's see question number 8. How long will a man take to make a round of a circular field of radius 21 meter cycling at a speed of 8 km/h? Okay. Now children, question number 8. How long a man will take to make a round of a circular field? There is a circular field, and how long a man will take to make a round of this circular field having radius 21 meter. If its radius is 21 meter, and if he starts from here, then how long will he take? How long will he take to make one round? एक राउंड लगाने में उनको कितना टाइम लगेगा? If he is cycling at a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. 8 kilometer per hour की स्पीड है. This is question number 8 children. Question number 8. Given, हमें दिया क्या गया है? Given rate, speed rate. Okay, उनकी स्पीड रेट क्या है? 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज द स्पीड. एंड हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल ही कवर? कितना उनको साइकिलिंग करनी है? हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल ही कवर? If he will start from here, then he will go one round and come back here. So it is what? It is the boundary, that is the circumference 2 pi r. ये क्या है? 2 pi r. टोटल डिस्टेंस उन्होंने कितना कवर किया? 2 pi r. And speed is already given. We have to find how much time will he take to make one round. एक राउंड लगाने के लिए उनको कितना समय लगेगा? How long he will take to make one round. Now speed rate can be converted because it is in kilometer and it is in meter, so I am converting it into kilometer. 8 kilometer can be written as 8000 meter, and per hour का मतलब हो गया 60 minute. Per hour means 60 minute. This is what? मतलब एक घंटे में 8 किलोमीटर या 60 मिनट में 8000 मीटर. 8000 मीटर. किलोमीटर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीटर बिकॉज द रेडियस इज इन मीटर. तो डिस्टेंस जो आएगी, द सर्कमफ्रेंस विल बी द डिस्टेंस ना, यहाँ से लेके पूरा ऐसे, दैट विल कम इन मीटर. सो वी कांट मिसमैच द यूनिट्स. एंड अगेन मीटर कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकेंड. कैसे? बाय 60 इंटू 60 सेकेंड. ऐसे अगर आपको मिनट में निकालना है तो सिर्फ डिवाइडेड बाय 60, क्योंकि ये पर आवर है. एक आवर में 60 मिनट होते हैं, लेकिन एक आवर में कितने सेकंड होते हैं? तो 60 इंटू 60 सेकेंड. सो नाउ द आंसर विल कम इन सेकेंड. सो इफ यू विल सॉल्व दिस, 0 and 0, these zeros will cancel out. This is 2 3 जा 6 and 2 4 जा 8. 2 3 जा 6 and 2 4 जा 8. 40 is there. Now this is 2 3 जा 6 and 2 2 are 4. So the value is 20 upon 3 3 are 9 meter per second. This is the rate now. This is the rate. ये rate हम use करेंगे. 20 ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में बचा 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. ठीक है? 3 into 3 9 मीटर है, पर सेकेंड है, लेकिन ये मिनट नहीं है, पर सेकेंड. एंड डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? कितना डिस्टेंस उन्होंने कवर किया? डिस्टेंस इज 2 pi r, दैट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस. सो दिस इज 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 मीटर. रेडियस इज 21 मीटर. रेडियस कितना है? 21. तो 7 3 are 21. सॉल्व कीजिए तो ये हो जाएगा 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4 into 3. आप बाद में इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, अभी रहने दीजिए. 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4 and 3 is there. Now we have to find the time. So time for finding the time we use speed is equal to distance upon time formula. We use speed is equal to distance upon time formula. हमको टाइम निकालना है. स्पीड वी नो, डिस्टेंस वी नो. सो कीप टाइम ऑन वन साइड. पहले टाइम को एक तरफ ले आते हैं, तो टाइम विल कम टू दिस साइड. टाइम विल कम टू दिस साइड. वी कैन राइट इट एज और टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस. ये स्पीड चला जाएगा दिस साइड ना. स्पीड इज इन हियर इन न्यूमरेटर, इट विल गो फॉर डिवीजन. स्पीड यहाँ पे ऐसा जाएगा, कैपिटल ऐसी रखिए. ठीक है? टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. नाउ व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस चिल्ड्रन? डिस्टेंस कितनी है? उन्होंने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? एक राउंड कवर किया, यानी ही इज साइक्लिंग फॉर वन राउंड मीन्स ही इज कवरिंग द circumference. The distance is this circumference, that is 44 into 3 divided by, what is the speed? Speed is 20 by 9. Speed is what? 20 by 9. So 20 by 9 करेंगे तो 9, this 9 which is in denominator, it will come to numerator. डिनोमिनेटर का भी जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है वो 9 कहाँ चला जाएगा? आपका न्यूमरेटर में. So 9 will come here. 9 will come here. And then we will solve it. Okay? जैसे ऐसे किया मैम ने, देखो 44 into 3 divided by 20 upon 9. So it is in denominator. So this will go to numerator. This will go to numerator. ठीक? 44, this time है ना, time is equal to 44 into 3 into 9 divided by 20. Now solve it. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. फिर solve कीजिए. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and this is 2 fives are 10. Solve it. 11 threes are 33 into 9 by 5. So time is equal to how much, children? 9 threes are 27, 9 threes are 27, 28, 29, 297 by 5. And now solve it. So 5 fives are 25, 4 is left, 47, 5 nines are 45, now 2 is left, so 20 will come, 5 fours are 20. This is the answer. Time is how much? Time is how much? 59.4 second. And you will write the statement. You will write the statement. Time is what? 59.4. 59.4 second. Okay, this is 9, children. ये 9 है. So in this way we can complete such questions. It's very easy. Only the thing is that question should be clear to you. What the question is asking. Now if you will see question number 9, a race track is in the form of a ring. एक race track है, वो ring की form में है. Inner circumference is this, and okay, this question we will solve in next class. Question number 9 and 10 both are left, so I will pick any one question or both the question according to the level of difficulty. So 9 and 10 question. Children, in this exercise you have to do till question number 10 only. See your syllabus, till question number 10 only you have to solve in exercise 20E. Clear? So I am winding today's class. Take care and complete till here.